Good morning, students. As we have discussed before about your chapter social science, and the chapter is globe and maps in standard 5. So today we will discuss about your exercise, and I have already done the exercise in a hard copy. So I will provide you the hard copy, and you have to read it out at your home. You are advised to read it out the textbook and the hard copy. The exam is very short, will be held in very short time. So you have to work hard for the exam. There are the 2 chapters we will provide you, and the hard copy is here. So let's go to the exercise.
Which is the largest continent in the world? First question. And as we have discussed before, we know very well the largest continent in the world is Asia. So here I have taken Asia. And how many oceans are there in the world? There are 5 oceans in the world. The science of drawing of a map is called cartography. And which color is used to depict hilly mountain areas on a map? It's brown. And fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the box. The smallest continent on the earth is Australia. You know very well. In the first page you will find out the Australia is the smallest continent in the world, and the Asia is the biggest continent in the world. And then a globe is a true model of the earth. What is the true model of the earth? Is the globe is the true model of earth, and the word has been derived from the Latin word mappa, which means napkin. And a person who draws a map is called a cartographer. And the science of drawing of map is called cartography. And here the who draws a map is called cartographer. Every map has a title which tells us what the map is all about. Its title. Every map has a title. And write true or false. The person who draws a map is called cartographer. You know it is the right answer. This is true. Political map show political division. It is also true. Only physical map has a title. No, it's false, because every map has a title. It's not only physical map has a title. Every map has a title. Just remember the one thing, every map has a title. There are 4 main directions shown on a map. It's true. In a map, black color is used to show road, and it is also true. It is in a map, yellow color is used to show desert. It's also true. Name of the following. These are large land masses on the earth. Continents are the large land masses on the earth. So answer is continent. His voyage proved that the earth is round. Whose voice? It's Magellan's voice. This is a book of maps. Atlas is the book of maps. The bottom of a map shows its direction north, because you know the upper side is north and the downward is south, and rightward is east and leftward is west. And answer the following question. Name all the oceans on earth. This is the first one is Pacific Ocean, the second one is Antarctic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. These are the 5 oceans in the world. And as you know, these are the most major water bodies in the world. 5 major water bodies. And what is a map? A map is a representation of the whole surface of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Who was the first to publish a collection of maps? It's Gerardus Marseter. Then question, the question is phone number. Question is, what are the different types of maps? So we know there are 2 types of maps: physical maps and political maps. And the exercise is over. Keep practice in your home. Stay safe. Stay home. Good luck. Thank you.